All right, so this is a fun little gadget. Um, I love this little product because it is a Wi-Fi body camera, and it is actually pretty hard to get your hands on a Wi-Fi body camera that works well. So pretty excited about this. This is the first watch Wi-Fi camera that I have seen, and I'm pretty happy with it. Wanted to show you how it works and how to set it on up. I'm going to go ahead and turn this sucker on. 1, 2, 3. You can see the indicator light turns on here, a little green flashing light. Okay, you know, spy guys, I know that you don't like your spy gadgets to flash. There is a something in the app that allows you to turn that indicator light off. So here we're going to go over and we're going to set up to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn that on and open that up. So on here it clearly tells you what app you need to download in the App Store. It's the same app for both your iPhone as well as Droid. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't find, there she is, Care Apen. Open that on up. And press OK. So here it says connected. On some cell phones it may tell you that you don't have a internet connection. You're just going to have to click OK on that. Once you do that, close on out, and we're going to open up our WEIHome app, and there she is. You're going to notice that my cell phone is quite a bit slower than everybody else's. This phone is archaic, but it doesn't matter if your phone is new or old, this should be able to work for you. Click on the plus, add device. It doesn't have a QR code on the back of this. This QR code here is just for downloading the app. So once you have the app on, trying to scan that isn't going to do you any good. All right, pair by AP connection. So that's what we did earlier when we set it up to the Wi-Fi. We set up an AP connection. I click on that. It's actually a little hard to see here, but there's a little circle. And the first time I tried to set it up, it actually made it very hard to see that. But once I click on that, I'm going to click next step. And it's noticing that the time on the watch is different from the phone, so it synchronizes the time. But that's really all there is to it. I can turn on the audio here. Test, test, test. So I get that reverb going on. If I want to record straight to the phone, I can push on that. Now I told you that we could turn off that light. I'm going to show you how to do that. You go here to Other. I lied. It's not there. It's Device Settings. Indicator light. Okay. So right now the green light is going on. If I flip that off, now you notice the indicator light is no longer indicating. Okay. So now your secret is safe. Your watch is not giving away your spyness, and everything is still recording. So there you have it, the new Fox's Spy Watch. Come on in. Great design. You'll notice that it's actually pretty hefty. Right here, we took off the knob so that you can see how to charge up. But that is brilliantly hidden as well. Everything about this is just well done. I'm pretty happy with the product. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.